We have a problem to solve. So I recently changed my client's website host from AWS as Amazon Web Services to Groove, which is a marketing automation and CRM platform. She bought her domain through GoDaddy, and so I went into GoDaddy and changed the name servers from AWS name servers to Groove's name servers. This allowed her website hosting to change over from AWS to Groove, but now she is not receiving her emails anymore to her business email associated with that custom domain. So today we're going to fix that. She uses Gmail on Google Workspace for her business emails, so this tutorial will show you how to reestablish your ability to receive emails once you change your website host. So after you change your name servers, the next thing you need to do is point your MX records or mail exchanger records to Gmail. In this demo, I'm doing this in Groove, but this applies to any platform you decide to host your website on. So you will need to log into your new website hosting platform and go to your account. Then access your DNS settings. Click Add New Record, then proceed to add the MX records from Google Workspace. So I just did a quick Google search for the MX records and I found these instructions. And you're going to copy and paste each record into the DNS settings of your new website host account. So here under Type, you will select MX, then in the host or name field, you'll put the @ symbol. Then in the points to field or content field, you'll copy the record from Google and paste it here. Then in the priority field, you'll type the number shown in the Google records. So after you do this, go ahead and send a test email to your business email and you should receive the email, which means you are officially back in business. Subscribe for more videos like this and digital marketing tips to get you more sales and contracts. And don't forget to like this video. Until next time.